Advanced automation filtering in Zenler. So within automations you have the ability to use advanced filters. Advanced filters will allow you to filter or send to specific users that you have set using the filtering options. In all of the mails that you have set up in automations, you have this ability by scrolling down to the bottom of the mail and looking at what's called filters. This action is executed only if the following conditions are satisfied within the filter. So why would you use filters, advanced filters? The reason, one case study may be because you don't want to send an email out to someone that's in a course. You might want to send a different email to them. So using advanced filters, you can set one email up so that when people register, they receive an email if they're in a course, but if they're not in the course, they receive the first email. Another case study may be that you've tagged some of the users that have registered and you don't want to send an email out to them, but you do want to send an email out to another set of users that do not have a tag. Again, advanced filters allows you to do this. A case study may be you want to send a discount code to people that have not got the tag. So using advanced filters gives you this ability. Let's now have a look how easy it is to set up advanced filters within the automations and within Lives. Let's go down to filters and add a filter group. So I'm going to call this not in course EU tax. So let's go now, we've named it, and add a filter. So these are our filters within this group. So we're going to say we do not want to send this if they're not enrolled in course. So if they're not enrolled in course, this. So this will now send out emails to only people that are not enrolled in the course. Once you save the changes, this is done. So this email now will only go out to people not enrolled in the course. It will not go out to people enrolled in the course. Now, advanced filters allow you to add multiple matching statements. So you can say matching all of the following, matching any or none. We're going to add another filter and we're going to say enrolled in a funnel or subscribed to the funnel. As you can see here, we have the ability to select a ton of different options for our filters. And we're going to choose the funnel and click save. Once I click save, this will now go out to anyone that's not enrolled in the course but has subscribed to the funnel example. Let's click save. So notice how you've added two filters in here. Now you can continually add as many filters as you like inside of this area. And remember that this matching statement, you can reverse it by going none of the following, any of the following, or all. All and any are the same. That is advanced filtering inside of your live automations.